Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for unbiased reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of first aid with a focus on one essential item: Curad non-stick pads. These non-stick pads are not your average bandage. They're designed with a special non-stick layer, making removal painless and hassle-free. Whether you're dealing with a minor scrape or a more serious wound, these pads have got you covered. What sets Curad non-stick pads apart is their ability to keep wounds clean and dry. The poly-blend core effectively draws up large amounts of blood and discharge, while the non-stick layer ensures that the pad stays in place without adhering to the wound. But it doesn't stop there. These pads not only protect and absorb, but they can also be trimmed to fit most wounds, providing customizable coverage for any situation. Plus, with a generous count of 20 pads per pack, you'll always have an ample supply on hand when accidents happen. So whether you're a parent, a healthcare professional, or simply someone who wants to be prepared for life's little mishaps, Curad non-stick pads are a must-have addition to your first aid kit. And that wraps up our review of Curad non-stick pads. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.